Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the GeoSIM is active and has a data plan. This is essential because tethering uses mobile data. Once done, update the Geo phone firmware if updates exist, and reboot so settings apply. Now go to Settings and ensure mobile data is enabled. Disable Wi-Fi to force the phone to use the cellular link. These steps ensure a stable base connection, so when you create the hotspot, the phone will share the live geo data. Next, you go into Settings, find Tethering and Hotspot, and tap Mobile Hotspot. Set a clear SSID so you can spot it on your other device, and pick WPA2 with a strong password to secure the connection. Weak security invites strangers. Make sure the hotspot band or timeout settings suit your needs. Shorter timeout saves battery, while 4 GHz gives wider compatibility. After you save, switch the hotspot on. Your Geo phone will broadcast the network for other devices to join. With the hotspot active, you connect your laptop or phone, pick the SSID and enter the password, then confirm an IP address and that web pages load. If you see an IP but no internet, toggle the hotspot off and on, toggle mobile data, or reboot the Geo phone. These quick resets clear common issues. Also check the Geo APN settings. An incorrect APN can allow association but prevent data routing. If problems persist, test with another device to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.